Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that the last 24 hours have been a little confusing as Bitcoin is trying to hold the support close to 95,000 and actually struggling really hard. Most of the altcoins are actually going explosive as they are up about 30%. Does this trigger the next bull cycle for the altcoins while Bitcoin is still struggling? I mean, the main driving factor behind this is actually XRP. Even though Bitcoin is struggling, XRP is showing no signs of slowing down as the inflow of cash is also increasing very rapidly, and that's why most of the altcoins are up in a significant amount. If you pay attention to the Bitcoin dominance, you can see in the last 72 hours it's dropped by about 7%. The market or most of the altcoins are about to be halfway to Bitcoin's dominance. If you pay attention to Dogecoin, there are some whales which are buying large chunk when it comes to the consolidation that we are holding at, which is close to 42 cents. The Bitcoin is forming a head and shoulder pattern. We could retest 90k, and the Dogecoin whales bought about 160 million Doge in the weekend. And finally, the market crash coming. US government transfers nearly 2 billion, and this is causing a little bit of panic. But before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, you want the latest and the greatest information first, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to the crypto market. User engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys this. This is very critical to decide what is going to be the long-term longevity in terms of how well the crypto market is going to do. Is the Bitcoin dominance so important? Well, one thing you need to understand is in the last 3 days, the Bitcoin dominance has definitely plummeted very hard, and that's due to the fact how struggling Bitcoin price has been close to 95,000. Just to give you perspective, Bitcoin's dominance is definitely just coming back to where it was before. It's not fallen down as compared to what it was at the start of the year, but just at one point when Bitcoin was, close to 100k while major altcoins were struggling a little bit, that's pretty much the time when we saw a very big gap between, you can say, most of the altcoins and Bitcoin, and the reason for that was the ETF listing on Nasdaq. But ever since the XRP, or we know that the SEC is definitely going to be favoring with XRP over time as Trump gets into power, more inflow and you can say rumors are definitely building up the XRP price, the market cap climbing. I mean, you know, the market cap has gone from about 60 billion to 160 billion in less than 3 to 4 days. And that's the reason why the Bitcoin dominance is definitely struggling. But what does this mean? Well, in the short term, very good, because the altcoins will be able to hold their price and not just go plummeting down when Bitcoin is struggling. That's the first thing. Second thing, in the long term, we definitely need Bitcoin to cross the 100k, but when Bitcoin does cross 100k, more inflow of cash, and if the altcoins are already in the high end holding up the price, they're going to go more explosive very quickly. I mean, just to give you perspective, this whale just yesterday purchased about $150 million worth of Dogecoin at the price of 42.2 cents. So they are definitely expecting the price to go up in the short term. While a lot of people around the world are definitely predicting, or big traders are predicting, that Bitcoin is going to be having a really strong pullback. Do I agree with that? And the answer is no. Maybe we might retest 90,000, but the people who are expecting to go down to 75,000, I'm a little skeptical about that. But hey, anything can happen when it comes to the crypto market, and knowing so many big news are about to come on Friday, it's definitely going to be a very shaky and super volatile market. There are a lot of whales which are buying the Dogecoin market. Just 160 million during the weekend is kind of crazy. And this is one of the things that's actually triggering the Bitcoin market, you can say. It's US government transfers nearly 2 billion into COINBASE, which is definitely, if you guys do not know, is an exchange. And usually when whales decide to put their money into an exchange, they're usually trying to take a little bit of profit. And same goes for the government. Now, if we talk about the Dogecoin price, now you can see that it is definitely in a little bit of a struggling period, but as long as it's able to hold over 40 cents, there is so much potential for it to climb very quickly. And just to give you perspective, this is how the market is looking right now. The two driving factors are definitely XRP and Cardano, but if you pay attention to meme coins, that's where every magic is happening. Now, in the last 24 hours, you can see that major meme coins, none of them are actually doing any good numbers. The only reason Peanut is up a little bit is there is a little bit of rumor that Coinbase is going to be adding Peanut to their portfolio, and that's the reason. But other than that, you can see all the major four are definitely lacking behind, and the reason for that is there is so many other major altcoins which are going explosive. Much less money is flowing into meme coins right now, but over time, once the profit taking comes into play, the cycle is definitely going to come into the meme coins, and that's going to push up the price. The open interest for Dogecoin is still holding strong, close to 3 billion, and that should already say a lot of things. And Coinbase now allows users to purchase crypto with Apple Pay. We talked about this, but this is becoming a bigger and bigger news. The amount of money that's going to be able to flow into Coinbase, and especially crypto market, due to this news is immaculate. That's the only word I can think of. And you can see right now XRP and Chainlink are the two things which are going very good and explosive, and you can see that the reason why it's trending on Twitter. Now, Elon Musk Doge co-lead already targeting Tesla rivals and flags a 7.5 billion loan days after criticizing Rivian's 6.6 billion loan. So this is interesting because if Elon uses his personal agendas to run this firm, which is part of the government, it would definitely bring up a lot of questions for a lot of people. And BlackRock spot ETF surpasses 500,000 Bitcoin in assets under the management. That's a lot of money that's being held in that ETF. Dogecoin surpasses 62 billion market cap. Will it sustain the momentum in December? And the answer is yes. There is a very high chance that Dogecoin is definitely going to be exploding and keeping up with what is happening around the world, and especially crypto market. Fed cut, likelihood soars while Bitcoin eyes 100k. Now, let me tell you this, if there is going to be another interest rate cut, it's definitely going to be having a really strong impact on the crypto market, knowing how volatile it is right now. And Elon Musk revealed the Dogecoin's expiry date, and they are saying that by 2026, or actually 4th of July 2026, that's where they want to, pretty much come to an end when it comes to this whole concept that they're building up right now. South Korea's crypto trading outpaces its stock market by 22%. That's insane. That already gives you perspective how many new people or new young people are deciding to go with crypto over the stock market, and that already means that over time we will be getting more trading volume. But right now, as I mentioned, there is more profit to be made. You just need to be a little patient. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.